Good morning, hi. I'm Sharon Sheaffer. I'm a retired food stylist and I've worked for a number of food companies. So today I'm going to show you how to put together a dessert for your family or casual guests just to make pudding look a little more festive. So I'm mixing instant pudding as we go. And then the trick is going to be, the lesson is going to be how to spoon it into the dish to create a swirl. I'm whisking it. You could do this with cooked pudding. You could do this with any thickened dessert with nuts, with fruit. But just have fun and make your family's favorite. At my mother-in-law's house, it was rice pudding and tapioca. So now, because this is instant pudding, it's going to take a minute to thicken. And then I'll show you how I spoon it in. So our pudding is setting, and I want to talk a minute about serving it in an individual glass versus a serving dish. It does several things for you. It controls the portion size. It means that you can do this ahead of time, and it simplifies your dinner service. And it just means that you don't have a mess at the table with everybody serving it out. So I'm going to use a spoon. You'll see that it has a nice creamy texture. And I'm going to use a footed dish. They're not expensive and they make a world of difference rather having it on flat on the table. So my message to you, the lesson is not to touch the outside of the dish. Always bring the pudding to the side and bring the spoon out the center, and you'll create these ripples and it looks so pretty. It's not flat, and it makes it look very professional. And you can make the dish as full as you would like it, but I always pull the spoon out what I think is going to be the back of the dish to keep the nice round edges to the front. So now, to make it look like a real party, we're going to add a little bit of whipped cream, and maybe I should have had a second spoon, but we're going to dollop it on here and twist it to get the curl that you know everyone is looking for. And one of my favorite toppings are raspberries, cherries work, sliced strawberries work, but I try to keep it, don't just plop it on straight. Turn it so that you see the different shapes. Voila! Enjoy your dessert. I know you will.